Hi guys, here we've got Nubia Red Magic 7 and let me show you how to do the fingerprint on this device. So firstly, open the settings, then locate and click on password, fingerprint and face ID, and now just click on fingerprint. If you wish to use it for your unlocker, just mark the stop switcher. And now we have to create some backup to the fingerprint, so it can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Let's draw the pattern, then re-enter it just to confirm. And now it's time to provide your fingerprint. So just tap on the sensor with all the edges of your fingerprint until it's fully added. Obviously, if you would grab your phone to your hand, it would be way easier. So tap on done then, and now you can unlock your device smoothly with your fingerprint only. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.